this is part 5, guys. And now we are at the thing we thought that was a bag, but apparently it's just some of these.
The first video, we were down there.
Yeah, like way down there. As you can see, we have been in progressing, and we have not been this far. As you can see, our footprints are not here anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also there's wild animals here. Snakes, probably wolves. Yeah, wolves. Technically, the dangerous one around here is a wolf.
Yeah, so I got the stick with me apparently.
And also, apparently, I've heard that there's actually a bear in these woods. But
they're not woods, but you know.
Yeah, like I've actually seen it, but I didn't get it on tape because I didn't have my iPod with.
Yeah, I mean he wasn't looking at it.
Yeah, I mean you could see it. Like I don't know exactly where it was, but it was like way up there or something.
Yeah.
But I mean, as you can see, there's like animal tracks, and should I just do the stick? And also, we have came to like this muddy place. I don't know. Hey, look, slide. Look up there. Who the hell made this? What the fuck? Who will fuck this? I'm gonna get this on tape. What the fuck? Who will fuck this? This is dumb. Dude, you're not gonna go very far, I'm just saying.
Well, it sucks. At the end it's good. That sucks. Whoever made that will
Who will fuck this? Who will fuck you? Oh, shoot. And if you guys don't believe there's a wolf here, wolf tracks. But as you can see, they've been on here for a long time. What are we over?
Over hard ice.
If you can see, there's like an outline.
Yeah,
No, it's outline of something.
Okay. Sorry, my bad. Okay.
Oh my gosh, there's a pure crack in it.
Yeah, okay.
Like that goes 15 feet down.
Okay, you see that crack?
Yeah, it's going like 15 feet down.
And he's trying to get it out.
I'm actually trying to clean it out right now. Yeah, it's not gonna break. Sorry about that, guys. But whatever. We will continue our journey in part